guys, I am here with Ivy Rose, and Ivy Rose is wearing a little sun hat because it's a bit warm out here, and she's just playing with her little rattly things. I'm about to do the shed, clean out the shed, so that's what we're doing today, aren't we, Ivy Rose? We're going to clean the shed out. So cute, baby girl. And it got a bit warm out here, so I am just letting her stay here where she's just under the tree. The neighbour's mowing the lawns or whippersnipping or something. Gorgeous girl, aren't you? Oh, I forgot to show you her new tummy. Matchy matchy. And her outfits. Just got little bunnies on it. It's got long sleeves and then her little tootsie toes. Yes. Yes. We're waiting for the little birdies to come, but I can't see any little birdies, sweetie. Alright, well that's it for us. I'll leave it here, I think, and go and clean that shed. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.